CES 2018 is the world's largest tech show, and if you want to know what's going on, subscribe to Gadgets 360's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to be the first to know what's the latest in the world of tech. Dell has launched a refreshed version of its premium XPS 13 laptop, with the new design of the laptop being its main talking point. The laptop now comes with a new finish in white, with glass fiber woven in, and Dell claims it has worked hard to ensure the laptop doesn't stain over time. Dell claims that it wants to ensure that the XPS 13 looks good on day 1 as it does on day 1000. Beyond looks, Dell says the new XPS 13 also stays cooler for longer because of glass fiber materials. It weighs 1.22 kg, which makes it one of the lightest 13-inch laptops on the market. Dell XPS 13's 13-inch Infinity Edge display fits in an 11-inch frame according to the company. This means that the laptop has thinner bezels on 3 sides, with a slightly thicker bezel on the side nearest to the keyboard. The front camera is also placed near the keyboard in order to make the bezels thinner at the top. Dell says that the laptop is 30% thinner than its predecessor, with a thickness of 3.4mm. As for specifications, the Dell XPS 13 ships with a quad-core 8th generation Intel Core i5 and i7 processor options, as well as up to 1TB solid-state drives, and the claimed battery life of up to 20 hours on Full HD resolution. The Dell XPS display supports 4K Ultra HD, as well as a battery life that goes down to 11 hours in that mode. All of this can be yours at a starting price of $999, which is roughly 64,100 rupees, with the XPS 13 availability in the US starting from January 4. There's no word on India price or availability at the moment, and you'll have to wait till after CES 2018 to know more about that. Thanks for watching this video. For all things tech, check out gadgets360.com for the latest tech news, videos, reviews, and opinions.